Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Crystal and I'm a big project planner. If you enjoy videos like that, I hope you will consider subscribing. But today I have a few items I want to try on for you. I bought these at Target a while ago, and one is from the Ulta in Target. So I have most of my makeup on already, and I kept my blush off just because I have a couple blush palettes here. This first one here is from Makeup Revolution, and this is beautiful. This is the Vintage Lace Blush. I bought this for my sister a while ago, and then I saw it again in Target, and I really wanted to pick it up, so I did. So I'll take the cover off. Look how pretty those are. So I'll go ahead and swatch these for you, but I also have another one. So I'm going to have this on one side, and then this one here on the other. This is also from Makeup Revolution. This is the Cheek Lift. And this is the Cheek Lift Palette Pink Energy. There was a couple of these. I liked the pink version, so I thought I'd go ahead and show you these. And I haven't actually tried these on yet, but so I'm going to go ahead and swatch both of these for you and try one blush on one side, one on the other. And I have this here from Too Faced. This is the Pillow Balm Ultra Plush Duo. This was a limited edition I just found at my Target in the Ulta section. But so there is I'll just take them out. So they're really good size, honestly. So this one is a lip treatment, and I don't know if it says Midnight Crystal. So yeah, I haven't tried these yet. And this one is they're both lip treatments. Okay, so this one, I'll just take this out and we'll look at it. It looks like they're pretty clear. Yeah, they are going to be a clear one, so I'm going to wear these just to see how they feel on my lips. Hopefully, I really like Too Faced products, so I think it's going to be really nice. But, so if you're interested in seeing what these look like and what I think of these, just keep on watching. First, I think I'm going to go ahead and swatch this palette for you, and I don't think there's any names. Yeah, there is no names for these colors. I didn't think there would be, but just in case, I thought I'd look. So this is the darkest shade, and then I'll just go from there. So these are matte too, by the way, all of these. And they're really pretty. I mean, they're really pretty colors. That one's pretty dark. That one is more like an everyday. I'd have to go really light-handed on that one. This one's like an orange, very orange, honestly. I don't know how I feel about that. It makes me kind of, I think I'd feel sick if I wore this. I don't think I'm going to wear that color. And then the next one is a light pink. So I really like the pinks, but yeah, that yellowy orange makes me feel like I'm going to look really sick, so I'm not going to do that. So the next two in here are actually the shimmer shades or the glitter shades. I'm not sure if there's any glitter in here. Oh, these are gorgeous. I'll just do them both. These are actually really, really pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. I mean, I wonder if these are supposed to be glitter toppers. This one very much doesn't have a lot of color to it, but a lot of glitter. This one you can see a little bit better, so I don't know, but I mean, this palette is really, really pretty. I think for now, I'm not going to do the glitter, but I am going to choose maybe one of these pinks. Maybe I'll just do this darker shade of pink. And so I'll just go ahead. I'm going to take my glasses off to do this because my glasses might get in the way. But I do have a smaller brush because these are really small. That's the only thing. You can't fit a big brush in these, which is kind of, I don't know. I'm used to using a bigger brush for when I put my blush on. So I'm going to go ahead and grab, I know I have a mirror somewhere. Let's use this one here. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, and we'll see. That is very pigmented. Can you see that? That is super pigmented. That is really pretty. Maybe we'll go a little more in. But yeah, that's really, really pretty. And you know what? I am going to use this glitter topper and see what it does. Just because I have a glitter blush over here, we'll see the comparisons between the two. Because this one is combined in the other palette, where this one I'm adding to it. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's really pretty. Do you see that? Oh, wow. It's so pretty, that glitter in there. You guys, I didn't know how I'd feel about this palette, but I'm actually really loving this palette. So now I'm going to go ahead and get another brush, and I'll go ahead and swatch this for you before I actually use it. But so again, these colors are just so pretty, and I'm hoping the glitter stays throughout all of the powder and it's not just, you know, on the top layer and then you don't see it anymore. But so that's the first one here. And then I'll just go in order as to what they have. Yeah, this was one of the last ones in my store. And I don't know if this was like a limited edition or they just were out of stock, but these are so pretty. And I think I'm going to use maybe this middle shade here just because it might be a little bit on the same tone as this cheek. I'm not quite sure. So I'm just going to go ahead. If I need to fix it up later, I will. So we'll see. Grab my mirror here. And we'll see what this looks like. I don't know. I don't really see. Let me do a little more. Okay, now I'm starting to see it. That is very, very pretty, but honestly, maybe it's this brush. It's just a harder brush to work with. But that's really, really pretty. Out of both of these, I don't know. I thought I was going to like this one better, but honestly, I like this blush better. But, I mean, there's a lot of glitter in this blush, excuse me. I don't know. What do you guys think? I like them both. This one seems to be more of a really fine glitter, and this one is obviously more harsh. So, but yeah, that's my blushes I have to show you today. And let's go ahead and look at this, these two pillow balms. So, I don't know how I'm going to show you this. Maybe I'll do the top of my lip with this one, just see if there's any color, and the bottom with this one. And hopefully it won't look too crazy. If worse comes worse, I'll just go ahead and take it off. And let's go ahead and see. So this does look like a purpley blue shade. And yeah, it does have a purple tint to it. I'm going to do this to the bottom. It does have a smell to it. What does it say it does? It doesn't say. Does the box say it has a smell? It doesn't say. Well, yeah, it doesn't really say, but it definitely has a sweet smell. I'm not hating it. All right, so, oh, this feels really good too. I've never tried a pillow balm from Too Faced, and I think I'm gonna really like these. So it tastes like grape. Yeah, like a grape, like a grape freezy pop, or something like that. It really smells good. And then this one here, and tastes good too. This one here is, I'll just go ahead and swatch. That one you can't see. It is right here, but you can't see it, so I'll just, you don't want to look too crazy once I put them together. So that's the top. And you can't really see this one, as you can see, but if I put them together, it'd be really nice. These are really nice. I really like chapsticks and things like this, so when I come across something like this, I always pick them up over a lipstick for sure, because I'm always wearing things like this. But yeah, so this is what they look like. I wonder what they look like if I put them together. Probably not crazy. Yeah, it just takes the color right off the bottom, whatever little color there was. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. And if you do enjoy videos like this, occasionally I'll run into products, and I'm trying not to look for products, honestly, because I have a whole closet full of makeup. That's why my channel is called A Makeup Journey. So, but I occasionally run into things like this, and I can't say no to them, unfortunately. So I really like trying new things and just adding to my collection sometimes. But, and honestly, like shimmer and glitter really gets me every time. Same with lip balms. So if you enjoy, oh, you guys, as I'm talking, there's getting to be more tingle in here. So I don't know if these are supposed to be a plumping. Let me know in the comments if these are supposed to be a plumping one. It doesn't really say, but I definitely feel like a tingle in my lips right now, on my lips right now. But thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you missed, I just did my Project Pan update for, what is it? It's May now. So for April. So I hope you go ahead and check that out. And I did it empties as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please consider, again, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.